Hi guys, so yesterday I went to town and I went over to a few fabric stores, and these are all for clients garments. So all of this is from the Chinese store. I bought a white invisible zip. I hope it's white. And also I bought like white suiting fabric because the client wants white pants. They're like white flat pants, and this cost me 100 rand per meter. So it's the suiting in white. And then in here, I just want to show you how this one looks. So it's this shiny silk chemise, or like a shiny satin. I bought 5 meters because the dress I plan on cutting on the bias because it drapes better on the body when it's cut on the bias. That's why a lot of fabric, that's why 5 meters. I also went ahead and bought some lining. I bought some lining, also 5 meters. I didn't want to be short like how I was with the wedding gown. So I just decided to buy 5 meters of the lining and 5 meters of the fabric. And then I got 2 zips. So I always buy 2 in case one breaks, I can have a backup. And then I bought some violin. Remember, violin, talon, interfacing. It's the stuff that you can fuse onto your fabric so that it's firmer and gives your garments structure. So it's sugary this side. That's the glue. If you iron it onto your fabric, it sticks. And this side is just normal. And then what else do I have? I went over to Woolwagon and got some bra cups and matching thread. So I bought this triangle swim bra cups. That's how they look. This is a size large. I wanted a small or a medium, but they didn't have, so I just went ahead and bought this one. I'll just cut it to shape and size once I'm done. And I also bought like I said, matching thread. So I bought this green thread to stitch our fabric. I hope it matches, but yeah, it's not going to be that bad. I don't have any top stitching, so it's going to be just fine. So that's my young fabric haul, but I wanted to show you something that I have been telling you about that I use in my corsets. It's over here. This is the bedding foam that I use. Just want to step aside so that you see how it looks. This is the texture. Do you see that? That's the texture. That's how it looks. This is the stuff that they put inside comforters and inside duvet covers, or make babies' nests. So you can use this for your baby's nest, or like a day bed for your baby. So that's how it basically just looks. And that's the texture. That's how it sounds, if you can hear it. That's how it sounds. So yeah, that's the bedding foam. I hope this was informative, and yeah, I hope you find it wherever in the world you are. Otherwise, you can just order online bra cup foam padding. Just like I'm saying it, Google bra cup foam padding. It's sold online. I don't know where yet because I haven't bought it myself because I've been using this. But as soon as I do buy it, I'll give you a link to the store I might have bought it from. So that's that on that. See y'all later. Hi guys, so it's like Sunday the 27th February 2021, and I'm currently trying to edit a video that's supposed to go up at midnight, but unfortunately Kinemaster is just acting up. I really have no idea what to do at the moment. I tried turning the phone off and on again, like the IT guys usually say you should, but here we are. I'm gonna try and turn it off and on again and see what happens. Okay, so far this is how far we are. That's the channel banner. We had to improvise a new pixel art for the logo, and that's how it's looking. Basically, that's the cost over there. It's $132, and you have a little shop description, and going lower you see my social media, and then over there you see the payment method, which is PayPal. This is just so you guys can be able to get the course. Everything else will be set up on a later stage, like the real logo for Jane.M and the proper pictures for everything. So, but for now, this is what you're getting. I hope that you come and shop Jane.M, shop the course. I'll drop some things here once we keep going on, like clothes and some knitwear. Yeah, thank you guys. Do you want to say anything?
No.
You don't want to say anything to the people?
I don't want to say anything to the people.
Ooh, I hope I show. I usually don't show, but yeah. So we have set up the shop and everything. So when you go onto the Etsy shop, what you will get is the course, and you will be given instructions, of course. After payment, only after payment can you be able to download the 3 video tutorials on how to draft the corset with bra cups from your basic block. The second one will be how to put it together, stitch it, and the third one will be how to grade to different sizes. And then you also get a PDF note, so it's notes on how to do everything step by step with calculations and everything. Yeah, but otherwise you'll get a little like demo video on the thingy. I'm gonna show you, but that's like a little demo video showing you what you'll get. This is me just cutting the pattern and preparing to stitch the pattern that we did on the course. Yeah, it is set up, it's ready for you to purchase, guys. So I'll leave the link in all of my videos. This is the corset that you saw on my latest video on Sunday. That's how it looks. This could be you guys. This could be you. You could be doing such great corsets with cups for yourselves. So shop the course. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I'm Jane.M, still the same person. Earlier I was telling you about my course and everything and how I'm going to be selling it to you via Etsy, but I am here now on a totally different note. I just literally received an email, like literally right now, and I'm talking to my friend Dede. She's also a YouTuber based in the Netherlands and she's from Nigeria. We are fairly new YouTubers and she's also a fashion designer. I got me an email from the YouTube team basically telling us that there's an upcoming tax charges to my YouTube earnings. Which earnings? I've literally just been monetized like a few weeks ago, and already there's this new tax thing. Okay, let me just read you what they're saying here. Hi there, this is the YouTube team to me, a creator. We are reaching out because Google will be required to deduct US taxes from payments to creators outside of the US later this year, as early as June 2021, right? Over the next few weeks, we'll be asking you to submit your tax information in AdSense to determine the correct amount of taxes to deduct, if any apply. If any apply, let's hold on to that. If your tax information isn't provided by May 31st, 2021, Google may be required to deduct up to 24%, guys, 24% of your total earnings worldwide, not just US, worldwide. Okay, like I said, let's recap. I'm a fairly new YouTuber and I've been monetized like a few weeks ago. I haven't really got a lot of money from AdSense so far, and already I have a tax threat of 24% of my earnings worldwide, provided I don't submit my tax information. Okay, so I found a video on YouTube. I'll insert a clip here or like a link, or I'll leave it in the description explaining how you have to go about submitting your tax information. But apparently, if I don't submit my tax information on time, they'll deduct the 24%, despite whether how much I make. They don't care. Anyway, let's leave that alone. So remember what I said you should hold on to. Apparently there's countries that have a tax treaty with the US. So those people are lucky enough that there'll be a 0% deduction to their earnings, or there'll be like a 10% deduction to their earnings. Lesotho, on the other hand, does not have, I went and checked, does not have a tax treaty with the US, which means if I don't submit whatever they need, they'll probably take in the 24%. So let's take, I'm gonna calculate real quick right now. Everybody's panicking. I am panicking. I don't want to lie. So let's say I made roughly, let's just say 2K from my AdSense. Now let's multiply by 0.24, which is 24%. Literally, that's okay. I don't know if you'll see. I'm getting 480 from 2K. From all of this work that I'll be doing, I'm getting only 480 in South African rands or Lesotho Maloti. That's all I'm getting. Which begs the question, is it wise to start a YouTube channel in 2021 as a non-US citizen? Let's chat about this down in the comments. Let us communicate, because I'm panicking. I'm sure the rest of the world is panicking. I know people down in the comments of the video I'm just leaving in the description are also panicking. As a small YouTuber, it's really demotivating, gut-wrenching, and I feel demotivated to work. I have to be posting on Sunday, and I feel like, what's the point? What is the reason? What is the reason? Yeah, let's talk about this down in the comments, guys. If you are a Lesotho YouTuber, I'm just letting you know that this is what's going on right now. If you're not monetized yet, maybe use this platform as a promotion for your other business. Let it not be because you want to earn anything from YouTube. Please make sure that you're doing this for fun or documenting your life. Otherwise, we are clearly just all wasting our times if we are not US citizens. And that's on period.